KRIS. Welcome back to the Kaged kitchen. Today we'll be making peanut butter banana protein pancakes, my favorite. What you will need for these pancakes are, we're doing a 1/3 cup of oats. We're going to be doing 4 egg whites, 1 whole egg. Here I have banana protein powder, but you can also use, if you wanted to make a different flavor, you could use vanilla, you can use cinnamon bun, whatever you want, but this is banana. You will also need some peanut butter. I have some natural peanut butter here. I'm going to be actually using both, one for my topping and then one to add into my pancakes. I'm going to do a teaspoon of each. And then you will also need 1 full banana and stevia if you want a little bit more flavor. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add our oats into a bowl. The second thing we're going to be doing is we're going to add 1 full egg, and then the rest, your egg whites. Okay, from there I'm going to add my PB2 peanut butter powder. I like this one because there is absolutely no fat in there. And it's just easier to mix inside the pancake. So let's do a teaspoon of that. And then what we're going to do, we are going to add your protein powder in there. And then you're going to just cut your banana in half. This is going to be, one side is going to be for your topping. The other side is going to be for inside the pancake mix. And it's up to you. You guys can actually blend this. There's a blender right here, but I'm not going to use this baby. I'm actually going to do it the easy way. If you're like me, I'm always kind of in a hurry, and I just stir everything together and mash my bananas. This pancake should be making about 3 to 4 pancakes depending on the size that you pour it. All right. Then we're going to take it over to our skillet, and we're just going to warm this up to, I like to do like medium low. We're going to warm up for a minute, and then we're going to be spraying it with some coconut oil. Alright, my skillet is preheated or warming up. I did turn it up to medium so I could get this baby going. I'm spraying it with my coconut oil, my batter. And we're just gonna pour, stir this a little bit. I like mine medium size. So that's about good right there. And we're just gonna wait a few minutes. Usually you can tell when the pancake is ready to turn over is when the outside starts to bubble a little bit, and then we'll just flip it. Okay.
No, not ready yet. Tell us a story.
Not ready. No. I don't have any. Nick's a bad boy.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color, shit. Probably black or white. Black and white, what do you know? Favorite colors, and browns, neutrals. They go with everything. Alright, it's almost there. I can feel it. I'm not the best flipper over, but it works. And it's gonna taste bomb.com. All right, this one's ready to go. Spray a little bit more. A little bit more. This is the second one. This will probably be good for one more. Woo! That one looks so good. All right. There is 2 luscious pancakes. Let's spray a little bit more. I keep saying that, a little bit more. A little bit more coconut oil. And last pancake. All right, you guys, I think we are done. Look at those beautiful pancakes. And there's 3 pancakes, that's crazy. That whole thing, you can eat all those. All right, so for topping wise, I am going to, you can kind of, I guess, do your own topping, but I'm choosing another teaspoon of peanut butter, and I'm just gonna put this in the microwave. Start. I really can't tell. Okay, I'm just gonna check that. It's pretty good. So basically what I'm gonna do with this is just smear it over. And you can, you know, obviously a fork doesn't work that well. And I guess I could have used a little bit more, but you know what? I'm counting my macros, and this is the only amount that I want. Okay, last thing we're gonna do before we eat this baby is we're gonna top it off with the rest of our banana. I'm just gonna chop it into slices. And I am going to just do it like that. Voila! There you have it. Banana protein pancakes. Let's taste these. I'll take a big bite. Really, 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 really good. My favorite. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. I can't stop eating this, actually. It looks way freaking good.